How to remove location from Instagram post. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today's episode I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can remove location from Instagram post. So then, to remove a location from Instagram post, it's very simple. First of all, make sure to update your application. After that, go ahead and log in into your Instagram account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and this is how it's going to look like. Right on this page, go to your profile icon, tap on it. This is going to direct you to the profile page. Now let's consider that if you have added a location on your post, as you can see right on top, there is this particular location. In order to remove it, all you have to do is just tap on the three dot icon. A drop down menu appears on the lower half of the screen, so from there you need to go ahead and click on edit. Now once you're on this page, go ahead and tap on the current location which you have added right on top. Now you'll be able to make changes with your location, but there's no such direct method of removing it just by tapping on the remove button. What you need to do is, in order to remove it, just tap on the cross icon located right on top. As soon as you do that, you can see there is an option as add location, which means that the location has been removed. And to save your changes, click on the tick icon located right on top. After that, you need to refresh your application, and after that, once again log in into your account, go to your profile. That you'll be able to see that your location has been removed. So in this way you can remove your location on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.